Hey everyone, Vitaly here, and in today's short video, I'm going to be giving you a beginner's tutorial to pay-per-click affiliate marketing, which can potentially be one of the most lucrative and risky ways to do affiliate marketing. In pay-per-click affiliate marketing, what you're essentially doing is you're creating ads on places like Google Ads, Microsoft Ads, YouTube Ads, Facebook Ads, driving clicks from one of those networks. There are more, but these are the most popular ones. You drive clicks to a website where you promote an affiliate product, and whatever it is that you get paid for that affiliate product, the goal is you want to make more money from whatever it is that you're promoting than what you spent on the ad on one of those networks that you created. I'll be getting into all of those details, giving you some case studies that I've had in this business. But before I do that, let me just quickly introduce myself. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vitaly, and I create content like this on affiliate marketing, on how to make money online, because I do this for a living and have for many, many years, well over a decade now. Here are some of my income reports, and these are affiliate income reports, affiliate sales that I've made. Here are some more long-term ones, and I do have other income reports, but I do this for a living, and one of the main methods that I use is pay-per-click. Now, before I continue with the main subject of this video, let me just quickly say that if you are new or struggling to affiliate marketing and you need help, I'm going to leave a link to a resource in the description and pinned comment of this video, which will showcase my #1 recommended program that you can get started with for free, that helped me get to where I am in this business. It helped a lot of other people do that as well. They teach a lot of stuff about affiliate marketing, about online business, pay-per-click, all that stuff that you need to know to succeed. It's very beginner friendly. So I highly recommend checking that out after you watch this video. But getting back to the main subject of this video, with regards to PPC or pay-per-click, and in this case doing it with affiliate marketing, let me give you at least one case study that I have in which I basically made $187,000 in 1 year from doing it. So the truth is, this happened well over I think around 2011, and I was promoting a ClickBank product at the time, and I actually got so many sales that I got at least 2 certificates for this. So you have to make at least 100,000 in sales to get even one of these. So this is for 2011, one is for 2009. And what I did for the 187,000 example is there was a popular diet that I was promoting on ClickBank. It was their #1 ranked diet and fitness program in their category, which you could get paid $20 to $40 for. And I set up a Bing ad at the time. It's called Microsoft Ads right now, but I was paying about 10 cents or less for every single click that ad got, and I got well over 1 million clicks for that. And I was basically making hundreds or even thousands in some cases every single day promoting this product. It eventually kind of ran out of steam, and I don't do that anymore. I promote other things through PPC, but this is one of a few examples that I've had over the years where pay-per-click has been a very lucrative thing for me. So that kind of showcases the potential of what's behind it. So that's one of the main things to understand, is that there's a lot of potential with it. Now, other than that, some other pros to understand is that when you're dealing with pay-per-click, or in general, not just doing affiliate marketing with it, it's one of the best ways to get fast traffic to your website. So let's say I set up some kind of website, I'm trying to promote some kind of product or program. I can set up a Google ad, a Microsoft ad, and within an hour I can start getting clicks or traffic. I don't have to wait for SEO. I don't have to wait for my rankings to go up and down if they ever even get to that first position. I don't have to rely on organic free traffic, which can possibly take a very long time to get success with. With pay-per-click, you can get clicks and traffic very quickly, which means you can also make money online with very quickly. So that's one of the main things to understand. But here's the thing. As nice as it seems to be making a lot of money with pay-per-click, there are also risks, which I kind of alluded to in the beginning of the video. Pay-per-click is a financial investment. So for each click that you pay for, it doesn't matter on which network, you're paying money. And if you don't make enough sales on the back end to cover those costs, you can be in a lot of financial trouble. And I've met a lot of people over the years that have been involved with that. That's the first thing to understand. The next thing to understand is most of the ads that you create are not going to make you money. And actually, let me showcase one of those examples. I gave you an example of a successful case study that I've had, but let me give you an example of a not so successful case study. So here's AM stands for affiliate marketing. There's 5 different ads that I created here, and this was my main one. It's just where I was targeting like general affiliate marketing keywords. I had got over 700 clicks. For this ad, I spent over $250 on it, and this ad was steering to this landing page where I was promoting this product. And the thing is, I got about, you can join this program for free. That's how it gets started with, but then you can make commissions of up to $1,200. So I got dozens of referrals signing up to this, which is still $0, but it's after they upgrade that the money can be made. But the money that I was making from this ad to promoting this, to steering to this landing page to promoting this, wasn't enough to cover the costs. So I ended up pausing this. And this is actually something that happens very commonly for people that do PPC advertising, especially with affiliate marketing. Very often you have to test. And by test, I mean you have to test the ad, you have to test the keywords that you're targeting in your ad, you have to test the landing page that you're steering the keywords to, and maybe even the offer itself to see if it's converting or not. And that's something that takes time, patience, and very often financial tests. So here I spent $200, it didn't profit for me, so now I have to go back to the drawing board and see where I have to correct it. In this case, I'm probably going to be changing things up on the landing page to see if it improves things. There are also other factors. So for example, with PPC, you generally want to be promoting things that are medium or high ticket when it comes to commissions, because you're spending money on the ad. You don't want to promote something that pays you $1 or $2, because that's like 2-3 clicks that you'll be making, and then boom, you're breaking even, and then you'll be losing money with every click after that. You want to promote something that pays you $50, $100, $500 for every sale, or perhaps some kind of program with recurring commissions where you get paid every single month for every single sale you make. And very often, let's say during difficult periods like a recession, people are much more careful with their money, so you tend to see that conversions go down while the clicks for ads are still the same or go up. So there are quite a few cons when it comes to this kind of stuff, and there's always a lot of, not a lot, but there's a lot, but it's not everywhere. There's a lot of bad information about the pay-per-click world that I see. There's people that sell courses and information about, oh, just get 5,000 clicks on your ad and somehow just magically the money just comes in on the back end. It's theoretical in most cases. In practice, it's very rare to have situations like I was showcasing with the diplomas that I got with ClickBank. The number of success stories that I have with pay-per-click is maybe a handful, maybe less than 10 over the many years that I've done it. While a majority, and I'm talking about dozens of different tests that I've run through PPC, are not successful. They either break even or they lose me money. And that's the nature of the beast that you're dealing with here. And that's something that most people, even people I would say are better than me at PPC than I am, they will tell you the same thing. That's the truth about this business. So that takes a lot of time, patience, and money to get it right. So if you're someone that's looking to do PPC affiliate marketing, understand the risks. It's not something I would recommend that you do if you're tight on money. It's probably better for you to get a blog started, a YouTube channel started, get free traffic through that, promote things that way. And if that starts to pick up, then you take those profits from the blog, from the YouTube channel, and then you invest that into PPC. That's how I would do it. Now, when it comes to the networks that I personally use, the number one network for me is Google Ads, followed by Microsoft Ads, YouTube Ads, which is actually part of the Google Ads network, and then after that it's Facebook Ads. All of these networks have a lot of potential to drive traffic to whatever affiliate offer or landing page that you're looking to promote the affiliate product through. And if you do it correctly, like I said before, it can be very lucrative, but in many cases it takes time and experience and money to get to that point. So I hope that this video was helpful in explaining these things, because a lot of people that try to pitch their courses and this and that, they kind of sugarcoat these things without mentioning all of the details that I did in this business, and that can get you into a lot of financial trouble if you're not careful. So this is kind of like a warning when it comes to PPC. Now to finish up, let me just say that the resource that I recommended earlier in this video, which is for new or struggling affiliates that are interested in getting started with this business, that same resource also teaches you about creating successful websites through free traffic, YouTube channels through free traffic, and also successful PPC stuff. There's a lot of material about that as well, but that's for their upgraded memberships. But in any case, you can get started with that resource for free if you're a beginner or struggling at affiliate marketing or online business. I highly recommend it. You can also get more personal help from me there as well. So that's what I'm going to be finishing up the video on, and saying thank you so much for everyone that watched it. If you have any questions about this sort of stuff, let me know. But do know that PPC affiliate marketing can be very lucrative for you, but it is also a gamble in many cases. So once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care, everyone.